Outside the studio of one of China's most famous artists, citizens like Zhang Xiaoyu are taking part in what they see as an act of defiance against the Chinese government. She's donating a few dollars to dissident artist Ai Weiwei, an outspoken government critic recently slapped with a $2.4 million bill for alleged tax evasion. It's an unimaginable amount of money, she says, but China has 1.3 billion people. If everyone gives a little, we will have enough.
These people came to make donations. A lot of them don't have any work, and they're getting really frustrated with their life here, which is why they wanted to hand over a donation to Ai Weiwei.
Just like thousands across the country, Ai was hit with a large tax penalty after his high-profile 81-day detention and what human rights groups say is a widespread government crackdown on political dissent here.
All these people have come here because they have a complaint and they want to show their support for Ai Weiwei, and now we're in.
As part of his release, he's not allowed to see journalists, though today we were able to speak to those around him.
That's Ai Weiwei's mother. She's just talking with some of the people who've come here to show their support.
His mother says she's worried about his health and what might happen if Ai can't pay the bill by the November 16th deadline. I really want to thank you all because you helped my son, she says, someone who speaks out for ordinary people. Across town, Dong Yinan agrees, though the young ad exec has never met the artist. It's like the government is helping him carry out performance art, he says, a work of art that citizens are a part of and can't be stopped. He and his friends sent at least $15 each via the internet, helping Ai amass over $800,000 so far, despite the government's take that the fundraising could be illegal. The government says Ai is guilty of economic crimes, a charge his mother denies. It's a political problem, she says. He didn't evade taxes. They're just looking for a reason to crack down on him.
Ai Weiwei's dog is looking for his master, but he's not home. Ai Weiwei isn't allowed to stray far, though. As part of his condition for his release, he's not allowed to leave Beijing for several more months, and he's also restricted from talking to the media.
But his mother isn't. We should speak in our own voice. There's so much that is unjust, and if no one talks and everyone is mute, she says, then what future does this country hold? A question that resonates with many here. Eunice Yoon, CNN, Beijing.